Hello, beloved. Welcome to a wonderful day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Can you stop complaining and upgrade your version? Sometimes you say, my phone is hanging. There are things I want to do, I can't be able to do it. You need to change the phone. There is a version of phone you need that has the capacity to do the things you want to do with your phone. Until you change your phone, until you upgrade to a higher version of phone, that problem will still not be solved. That is how it is in our lives. God called you to be a man of God. There is a version of you that He called to be a great man of God. There's a version of you that He called to be a global man of God. So you have to upgrade yourself to that version to become a great man of God, to become a global man of God. If not, you will remain in your village. That is it. As a businessman, there's a version of you that God is waiting for you to upgrade to so that you become an international businessman. So that is how life is until you embark on a journey to upgrade the version of your life. You will remain at a particular spot and you will keep complaining.